In this video, I get to work,
I've got some of the parts there.
experience camera trouble,
Stay put, you prick.
and have some fun.
That's what it's about. Smiles per gallon. So, finally getting around to working on the Z. It's been sitting for a while. I've got some of the parts there, the control arms, upper control arms, and the battery cable there. Let's see how she does. Security lights blinking. We've got juice, neutral. All right, let's get the windows down. Let's get it inside. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to attempt to remove, these are the replacement Z1 upper control arms that are adjustable, and we're going to replace the stock ones in here. So we got the 417s up here holding the bracket, and then the one here, so we'll take the bracket off first since there's no room to slide the bolt out.
So after doing the control arms, I went ahead and exchanged the fluid in the gearbox with some Redline MT90, which really helped it shift a lot smoother. And while waiting for a chance to get an alignment done, I went ahead and posted it for sale. I had a lot of interest in the car, and then finally a family from Ohio came up, took a look at it, and we made a deal. From the very first day I bought the car, all throughout the years, it was a work in progress. I kept working on it, making it exactly as to what I had in mind, and I never really got to enjoy it because of how busy I am and all the other cars that I have. So I figured it was time she went to a good home.
I gotta back it out so I can get the spare parts and tires for it out. Let's take it for one more trip around the block. Gently, I'm not gonna get on it. It would really suck if something were to happen to it, but just take it easy. I've had almost 10 years with this car. I built it just the way I had in mind and barely got to enjoy it. 1,500 miles in 9 years, almost 10 years. That's not a lot. Sucks being an adult sometimes. You have to make choices. I'll tell you this, no turbos necessary. It still puts a smile on my face every time I get behind the wheel. Oh, kitty cat. Always chasing a squirrel. Sound of this thing too. What did I say? Oh, the camera went one way and everything. Oh man, I'm not editing that out. I'm keeping that in. That's what it's about. That's what it's about. Smiles per gallon. Stay put, you prick. I'm gonna miss this thing.
things as an adult. I mean, I still have some toys, but they're a little bit more practical, or they serve a specific purpose. The motorcycles are great on gas. Good commuter vehicle, because I go to work by myself. Then I have the AMG Mercedes for fun and power, and I'm part of a club. We're all, you know, Euro cars. I got the Cutlass for my old school. And then I still have the Infinity for some JDM fun. But I am so going to miss this car. If you who bought this car are watching, I want you to know I'm not really selling you a car. I'm giving you custody over a family member. And I pray that you take care of her. I'm gonna miss you. I really, really, genuinely am. All the laughs, all the smiles, all the fun. Sorry. I had to one last time. I had to. I feel better now. Everything looks perfectly fine. I am gonna miss that thing, but 'tis life. I have kids, I have family, I'm an adult, I have other cars. Everything has a role and a purpose. And unfortunately, I don't have a place for that car anymore. I hope it's coming through how difficult this is, but it's all right. This is life. I've got other things I can have fun with. C'est la vie. Along with the car, I had a set of updated injectors, the original head unit, all the original brochures and guides, as well as the original window sticker, 2 sets of wheels and tires, the original bumpers, and on the brochure that I'm showing here, it even had the salesman's handwriting for the price of the car with the trade listed. You're good. Well, she's gone. But that's the way life is sometimes. They come, they go. C'est la vie. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.